Are you struggling to find the right keywords for your SEO optimization efforts? If so, you're in the right place because today we're going to talk about how you can use Chat GPT for SEO keyword research. Let's dive in. For those who are new here, Chat GPT is a powerful tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate relevant keywords and content ideas for your website. In this video, we'll explore how Chat GPT can revolutionize your keyword research process and ultimately boost your SEO rankings. Traditional keyword research methods can be time-consuming and often fail to provide the most effective keywords for your content. Many marketers struggle to keep up with the ever-changing SEO landscape and are in need of more efficient solutions to stay ahead of the competition. This is where Chat GPT comes in to save the day. Let me share a key example to illustrate the power of Chat GPT in improving SEO rankings. A digital marketing agency implemented Chat GPT for their keyword research strategy and saw a significant increase in organic traffic within just a few weeks. First, identify popular subtopics. Prompt put in Chat GPT. What are the 10 most popular subtopics related to adventure travel in Vietnam? Second, find long-tail keywords. Prompt, what are 20 popular long-tail keywords for the short-tail keyword adventure travel Vietnam? Then identify blog post keywords. Prompt, what are 20 popular adventure travel in Vietnam keywords I can target with blog posts? Now you have the list with around 50 keywords. You want to group those keywords by intent use prompt. Group these keywords by intent and show me the results in a table. Include similar variations in the same row, as each row represents a page on my website that will target rank for all variations with the same intent. Remember, it's not just about attracting traffic to your website, it's about attracting the traffic. That's where understanding user intent comes in. With the prompt, split the columns up by informational intent and commercial intent. Let's break down the different types of search intent. First, we have informational intent. These users are looking for information. They might search for ways to get around Vietnam or learn about sustainable travel. Your content for these keywords should be informative and answer their questions thoroughly. Next up, navigational intent. These users are looking for a specific website or page. They might search for hiking, biking, or crafting in Vietnam. Make sure your website navigation is clear and easy to use so these users can find what they need quickly. Now that you've got your keyword arsenal thanks to Chat GPT, it's time to put those keywords to work in your content strategy. Remember, content is king in the SEO kingdom, and keywords are your loyal subjects. When creating content, whether it's a blog post, product description, or social media caption, make sure you're using your target keywords naturally throughout your text. Don't stuff keywords in awkwardly. That's a big no-no in Google's eyes. Instead, focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your readers and naturally incorporates your keywords. Use your long-tail keywords in your blog post titles, subheadings, and throughout your content. Optimize your website's meta descriptions and title tags with relevant keywords. These are snippets of text that appear in search results and can influence whether someone clicks on your website. Using Chat GPT for SEO keyword research can give you a competitive edge in the digital landscape. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, you can uncover valuable insights, optimize your content strategy, and ultimately enhance your online presence. The potential impact of Chat GPT on digital marketing strategies is immense, making it a must-have tool for any marketer looking to succeed in the digital world.